This Nissan Terra had his exhaust done with another shop. First thing we noticed, it's the wrong size. The pipe size is only 2.5 inches. This is the same size as stock and therefore makes no additional power. Second thing we noticed, it has no muffler and therefore extremely loud. This will definitely not pass the MVIS registration process, which has a 99 decibel limit for exhaust loudness. Since he makes no power and is annoyingly loud, he decided to upgrade to a full 3-inch Borla exhaust system. So first, the downpipe gets installed. Then the MD pipe with the muffler. And the rear pipe with the tip. And this is strictly an aesthetic choice, no relation to power or sound at all. Same thing with the side exit, no effect on power, it's just all about look. And that's with the installation all done, and you can listen to that nice deep rumble.